Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ginrich, and I've been asked to make a quick video on how to submit assignments through Schoology, especially when you have multiple page assignments, okay? So some of you, if you're submitting the assignment through the Schoology app, and I'm going to show you how to do that now, and most of you have been able to do that, but the multiple page one's a little tricky. What happens is if you're trying to attach the pages or take pictures of the pages, and there's multiple pages, and you're trying to do it during the time that you're submitting, what happens is it creates revisions and it revises the original page that you sent in. For example, if you got a 2-page assignment and you take a picture of the first one and then you go ahead and take another picture of the second one and upload it or submit it, what happens is it writes over the first one, and so you still only have 1 page, but now you lost page 1 and you have page 2. Same thing if you have 3 or 4 pages. It only saves the last one that you label as that particular submission for the assignment. Okay, so to fix that, the easiest thing to do is to take your pictures ahead of time. So to have all your pictures ready to go. All right, I took 2 pictures of my daughter, who's a 2nd grader here at Ashley. I have 2 pictures that I'm going to upload, and I'm going to show you how you can do that so you'll see both pictures or both pages, let's say, of the assignment at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. All right. And then you guys are going to be able to see what I see on my phone. This is my app here. So I've got Mrs. Greenwald's class up here. I'm going to click in here. All right, I'm going to go to, let's just go to a Thursday. All right, and then I've got, I think if we do it this way, assignments to submit. There we go. And then these are the individual assignments to submit. Okay, so let's say this one, I know Unit 1 pre-assessment, it was multiple pages. Okay, so if I click on the submissions, what I did is revision 1 and it says revision 2. So these are 2 separate pictures, but what it did is it just overwrote this first revision with the second revision. In other words, it didn't put both pages in there. It just took this page and erased it and used this one. So that would be like page 1 would be here, and then page 2 would be up here. Well, now you're just stuck with page 2 because you don't have page 1 anymore. So here's the way to do it. You're going to click this plus sign up here. Most of you know that one already. And then I usually pick where it says submit photo or video. All right. And then I'm going to go into my iPhone for recents. And then down here, I've got page 1 and then page 2. I'm going to select both of them. So I selected both of them. And then I'm going to hit the green X up here, the green check here. Okay. A safety check, just to make sure you have the one selected, is you can pick the 2 selected and you can see which ones that are selected. Here's this page. You can see the numbers are a little bit different. Page 1 is, of course, the earlier one, and then page 2. Then you're going to hit the green check, and then it's going to upload both of them at the same time. And there you go. So if you look here, revision 3 shows that you have not only just 1 page, but you have 2. And the difference is, even though they're the same, revision 1 is here. You just overwrote it for revision 2, so that means you lost page 1. And this is a way that you can get both pages, or if you have an activity that has 4 pages, you can take 4 separate pages and then you can attach all 4 pages ahead of time. Okay, so I hope that kind of helps, and I hope it gave you a little bit of information on one of the ways you can do it through the app.